Hey everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. So today I have a nail design for you. I'm using Polygel and I am using acrylic. So I'm starting off this video by showing you this new gel lamp I got. As you can see, the box is pretty beat up. It was just in an envelope, one of those big bag plastic envelopes. And that was kind of it. That's all the protection this little lamp had. And I actually accidentally bought this, and you're probably thinking, how the hell do you accidentally buy something? Well, let me tell you, it came off of wish.com. I downloaded the app. This was my first purchase from Wish ever in my life, and I saw the lamp and I was like, it was only $5, I'll give it a shot. So I put it in my cart. And then I actually went to my cart because I wanted to look at it again, and I decided to try to back out. But when I tried to back out, this prompt came up and it said, if you check out now, you get 10% off. And I was like, oh, okay, that's cool. So I hit accept or whatever, thinking that it was going to add a coupon to my cart. And then it's buffering, and all of a sudden it says, your purchase has been made. And I was like, wait, what? I was like, what the hell just happened? It's crazy. But I was like, you know what? The lamp it came up to like $9, $5 for the lamp itself, and then like $5 something for shipping. So I was like, okay, what the hell ever. I got it in under a week. As you can see, it just came in that flimsy beat up box with this cord. You have to attach it to an adapter, which I have plenty of in my house. There's no bottom to it. It's just like the lights or whatever. There's my adapter that I'm about to use right now. That did not come with it. That was my phone charger. Yeah, so I just hook it up to the lamp, and to me it's like aesthetically pleasing. Like, it's nice to look at. I like the shape of it. I like the big screen with the 30-second, 60-second, and 99-second buttons. I do appreciate that. The lamp, you'll see me actually use it here in a bit. But I did notice that, which was something I wasn't paying attention to when I first bought it, was that it's a very low wattage. I think it was like 36. And so it took longer to cure. Like, usually I would just be able to nuke stuff in like 30 seconds, but this one it had to be 60 seconds or sometimes longer. So I wasn't too pleased with that. But it does have a memory, so when you press a button like 30 seconds, it stays on the screen, and then you can still put your hand in and out. And I kind of discovered that later in the video. You'll see that. But it's too low of a wattage, so I'm really not feeling that. The only reason why I decided to keep the lamp was because it was only like $9 total. So I was like, whatever, it gives me something to do, I guess. But yeah, everything about it it's overall, it's okay. But just the low wattage thing is throwing me way off. I don't like to have to wait longer than I have to. My original lamp that I use, it cures faster than this one, so I probably won't be using this one anymore. But it was okay for what I needed at the time. Okay, and I will be sculpting my set, a beautiful fresh set of nails, and I just put on my base coat. So these will be Polygel extensions with acrylic on top. I like to do that just because I like the fact that I can move the Polygel around for a long period of time. I have more playtime with it. You don't have that with acrylic, because acrylic does set the moment you combine the liquid with the powder. So being able to play with the Polygel is just something I prefer, because you can take that time as long as you need to perfect your shape. So that's what I like to do. And I like to top it with acrylic, because I haven't found a Polygel yet that to me is like crystal clear to show the glitter off. So yeah, that's why I top it with acrylic. This polygel is from some random shop on AliExpress. This is not the same one I used before. The last one I used before was Model 1's. And this one is a little looser than Model 1's. It wasn't sticky. It wasn't really that sticky, but it was definitely a little looser. Like I had to cure it every time I built up the nail rather than building up all the nails and then curing them all at once, which wasn't much more of a hassle, you know, to me anyway. That didn't really bother me too much, but I just had to keep that in mind. This is also supposed to be a thermal polygel, and it's supposed to be pink when it's cold and then white when it's hot. And this one didn't actually work that way. You'll see in a bit after it's been cured. First of all, you can actually already see the nail bed going clear. This one gets clear when it's hot, not white. So yeah, that didn't work out very well. I mean, it didn't necessarily bother me, but just the fact that the product didn't do what it said it was gonna do bothered me, if that makes sense. Like, I don't care that it went clear, but it was supposed to go white. You see my pointer finger right now at this point is cured, but you can see that it's completely clear. It did not go white, so that's the issue with this one. But overall, the consistency of the polygel is okay. I do not use slip solution. I never use slip solution. I try to stay away from them just because I don't know what's in them and I don't want to irritate my skin. So I just use alcohol. It works just fine with alcohol, so you know. But yeah, that's really all I had to say about this polygel. It didn't turn the color it was supposed to, and a little bit looser, but the consistency didn't necessarily bother me. But yeah, it doesn't change the color it said it's supposed to. So as you can see, it's not white. It's like a cloudy clear. It's more natural than anything. But I would definitely not qualify that as white. But as you can see, it does work. The tips went pink again because, you know, they're away from my my body heat on my nail beds. So I filed and buffed these nails, and now I am showing you Looking Glass, and the peachy color is called Peachy Keen, and those are both available on my website right now. I will leave links down in the description box for you guys. And I'm going to do sort of like a fade, a glitter fade with the with Peachy Keen at the tips, and then adding Looking Glass towards the top of it. You know, kind of like a ombre, if you will. I'm not very good at those, but I tried. Tried. You gotta give me a little bit of credit. I'm not a professional. Please keep that in mind. But we got there, you know, we got there eventually. So this is the finished look. They're okay. You know, I tried something different. I wasn't really feeling them in the end. I added some embellishments and some She Modern decals, which unfortunately you don't get to see me add because I lost the footage. But they're all right. You know, they're kind of not my taste. I'll probably have another design video coming up this week where I actually just cover them up with gel polish. But thank you guys for watching me. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and go check me out on Instagram. I have 2 incredible giveaways going on. One's a giveaway, one's a contest with the winner. So there's a lot going on here in Candyland. You guys have to go check it out and join me. It's a holiday contest, a Halloween contest to be exact. And I've already started receiving entries, so just go over there and send in your entry. You can win some free stuff. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Later.